आने वाले कुछ सालों में पॉलिटिक्स इलेक्शन से नहीं बट पॉपुलेशन से डिसाइड हो सकती है। नाउ मार्क माय वर्ड्स, पॉलिटिक्स इलेक्शन से नहीं बल्कि पॉपुलेशन से डिसाइड हो सकती है। नाउ यू विल आस्क मैम हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल? तो मैं बताऊंगी। रिसेंटली यू हैव वॉच्ड द पार्लियामेंट्री डिबेट्स on 131st Constitutional Amendment Act of 2026 in relation with the women's reservation, in relation with the federal issue. Fine. Now just imagine कुछ सालों के बाद में, at least after 10 to 12 years, we'll see such a scenario that South Indian the people are having less political powers as compared to the North Indian ka people. Now, this is not just about the political power. This is about the issue that is related to the constitution. This is the issue that is related to the federalism. This is the issue that is related with the very core concept and the principles of Indian democracy. Now, all this debate revolves around the core concept of delimitation. Now, what is delimitation? Delimitation क्या होता है? For understanding this delimitation, first we need to understand what is the census, so as that you can understand the very background, the conceptual understanding of delimitation. So, what is the census? Census is the process where government counts the population from each of the state. अब ये इस तरह से काउंट करते हैं कि आगे आने वाले 10 साल तक वो उसी नंबर्स पे पॉलिसीज, schemes, programs launch करेंगे. They will see which area is under high poverty, which area needs a high urbanization, which area is facing the infrastructure issue, and depending upon that they will progress their programs. Now secondly, what is delimitation? Delimitation is the process where we take the census data which is carried out every 10 years, okay, and this data, depending upon this data, we redraw the constituency का boundaries. अब ये वही constituencies है जहां से हम सीट्स allocate करते हैं लोकसभा को, जो properly proportion wise allocate होती है. Now to understand the concept behind or the reason behind the delimitation, let's take an example. Just imagine there are two classes, class A and class B. अभी class A में there are 20 students and class B में 100 students. अब जो class A है उसमें भी एक monitor है and class B है उसमें भी एक monitor है. Now you can analyze here which would be the best monitored class. कहाँ की efficiency अच्छी रहेगी? Of course the class A, right? Why? Because this monitor has less amount of students to monitor as compared to the class B का monitor, right? अभी यही चीज लागू होती है हमारी constituencies में, political constituencies में. We have n number of states, we have n number of regions and the constituencies. The more number of people is equals to more number of seats and the less amount of people is equals to less amount of seats. तो यही चीज होती है in our Indian politics कि जहां पे in South Indian state who have worked for controlling the population through n number of programs have less population and that is why they are having less seats as compared to the North Indian states where the population is huge, like in the states of UP, Bihar. Okay, here we have more number of seats. And that is why this is not just the issue of federal system, it is an issue of Indian democracy at a large. Now, according to 1971 ka census, which we are even presently following, we have Uttar Pradesh ka at present the 80 number of seats. Okay. Now, it is estimated that if we are having 2026 का and 2027 का census calculation, there are high chances that the number of seats in UP and Bihar would be increasing to 143 and 79. Okay, as compared to the South Indian states, let's see the Kerala. Now, Kerala presently has 20 seats and they are supposed to be projected to be at the same level in upcoming years. See the condition of Kerala, Karnataka, okay, Andhra Pradesh. So, they are minimally increasing their seats, or in especially in state of Kerala, we don't find any of the increment. Now, according to 84th Constitutional Amendment Act, we had freezed this delimitation up till 2026. So, here after 2026, we are supposed to redraw our constituencies again in 2026 and 2027. Abhi, according to the proportional representation, to redraw the constituencies boundary, तो जो स्टेट्स सबसे ज्यादा हाई पॉपुलेशन में होंगे उनको ज्यादा एमपीज मिलेंगे एज कंपेयर टू दो स्टेट्स विच हैव लेस पॉपुलेशन. अब यहाँ पे साउथ इंडियन स्टेट्स का आर्ग्यूमेंट बहुत सिंपल है कि भाई हमने इतने सारे पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल मेजर्स उठाए हैं. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ नेशनल पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी ऑफ 2001. तो हमने इतना ट्रांसपेरेंटली सारा प्रोग्राम्स इंप्लीमेंट किया है, देन व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग पनिश्ड in this upcoming delimitation activity? बात तो बहुत लॉजिकल है. अगर हमने मेहनत की है तो we want those fruits, right? तो क्वेश्चन बहुत सिंपल है, क्या डेमोक्रेसी सिर्फ नंबर्स है या डेमोक्रेसी मीन्स द फेयर गवर्नेंस?